If you want to use the Pro mode in the camera on OnePlus 15, here's what you need to do. So in order to find the Pro mode, we need to open the camera, and then over here we need to switch to Master. This is where we can find the Pro mode, but in addition to that we need to switch to Pro over here on the left side. And now as you can see we have these different parameters that we can use to adjust the photo. If you don't know what these parameters do, then let me try to quickly explain what each of these things do. So first we have ISO. ISO allows you to control how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO allows you to keep your photo clear in bright light, but a higher ISO can help you in low light conditions. So when it's darker, it is better to use higher ISO. However, too high ISO can add grain or noise to the photo. We can also set it to automatic by pressing on this A button. Then we have S, which is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action. Of course, here we can adjust it by moving left and right, and we can also tap on A to set it to automatic. EV is exposure, and this slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image. It's just a quick way to make your photo lighter or darker, and this is the only parameter that cannot be set to automatic. It cannot be automatic. AF is the focus, so AF is usually the autofocus, MF is the manual focus, and in this case focus allows you to set exactly what should be sharp on your photo. The lower the focus is, the more focus is on the smaller subject that is right in front of the camera. And of course, larger focus allows you to capture everything in a sharper way. And of course, we can also use WB, which is the white balance, which is actually separated to two things, the tone and the warmth. And in this case, we can adjust colors of our photos to make whites look natural, like whites look white, and colors look natural in general. This is just the color temperature adjustment. And we can tap on A, of course, in order to set it to automatic. And that is pretty much it. You can also reset every parameter over here by using this button over here on the left side, this circle with the arrow. Of course, we can find some other options in here as well that can be quite helpful. Like, for example, we have these different filters that we can apply, these different presets. And in addition to that, if you're looking, for example, for the Pro video mode, then you can find it in more section in here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.